Good evening, students. Now in this video I want to clarify one point. The video that I had put yesterday that saying that Supreme Court has directed NBE to release the answer key before the result was based on the 10-point directive issued by Supreme Court, the directives that were given to NBE on 23rd of May 2025 by the bench of Justice Mahadevan and Justice Pardiwala. So this directive, they had lot many topics, lot many points also, and this was there that NBE to release the raw scores and the answer keys before the result is declared, just like it is done in NEET UG. Now this is a very important directive that was given to NBE, and based on that, even if the exam has become single shift, does it nullify or does it negate that point? No, whether single shift or whether multi shift, the release of answer keys and release of raw scores, and based on that the rank of the student, I think it is one of the fundamental rights of the student, right? Based on transparency, fairness in the exam system. That is what everything was talked about when the case was there in the Supreme Court for single shift exam also. And after that there was a transparency plea also that was filed in the Supreme Court, and the hearing was supposed to be on 3rd of August. On 3rd of August, till 12th of August, what we have followed up, the plea has not been heard, but I hope and I'm sure that in coming days this plea will be heard, and I am sure that after that whatever Supreme Court will direct NBE to do, that will be done. And the release of answer key is important because it will help you in predicting your scores. It will ensure transparency in the system. It will help you in shortlisting the colleges, because when you come to know about your score, you can easily extrapolate to the rank that you will be getting, and you can shortlist the colleges and the branches that will be available at your rank. The next thing will be that you'll be able to challenge the result, challenge the it will give an opportunity for challenge, like if some answer is wrong or if it is having two answers or there is a discrepancy, then that can be challenged before the result is out, and accordingly then the answers are finalized and the result is given. This is the process that is done in NEET UG, and it has not caused any kind of issue, any kind of problem. So release of answer key and then validation and finalization of the answer key is, I think, one of the major important point of any exam, any competitive exam. And NEET PG 2025 being such an important exam, which actually is deciding your future, your further life, your career prospects, it is very important. It should be completely transparent, and that directive is given by Supreme Court to NBE already. So there's no, there should not be any doubt that it should not be followed. Now, another aspect that I want you to know is that when the answer key is released and validated and finally the result is declared, the chances of litigation are very less, because everything is transparent, everything is fair, everything is foolproof. There's nothing hidden. So no chances of litigation cases are very less in that case. मतलब कोई motive ही नहीं होता है, कोई opportunity ही नहीं होती है कि जिसके against litigate किया जाए. So as a result, what will happen? Your counseling will happen on time, your admissions will happen on time, and your session will start on time. Otherwise, as we have seen in last 2-3 years, the exam होता है बहुत पहले, exam is done somewhere, and after that 4-5 months तक there's no counseling because some of the other litigation cases going on. So to streamline the whole process, to make the whole process systematic, single shift exam hua, very good. After that, release of answer key should be done, and since it is directed by Supreme Court, I think it should be honored and it should be followed. And then once that result is released, after all the pros and cons and ifs and buts, then there will be no litigations, the counseling will happen on time and the admissions will happen on time, and your career will get started, or your PG will get started. Till that time, I am there working for your best interest, for your benefit, for your success. This is the major motive of starting this channel, and this is the only like मेरा लाइफ का मकसद कि फार्माकोलॉजी आपको समझ में आ जाए, फार्माकोलॉजी अच्छी लगे, and to work for the benefit or to work for or support the students for whatever cause it is there. So let's hope for the best.